Hello traders, welcome back. How are you? Today's Thursday the 8th of June, and as always guys, we'll look back at yesterday's trades. We had some crazy moves yesterday. We'll take a look at today's potential trades, and we'll look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started. So let's look at yesterday's trades, guys. All right, and the first one was this pound New Zealand dollar. This is the day chart. Okay, and we were in a downtrend, and then bang, yeah, we were back in an uptrend. As soon as we break these highs, this is when the trend changes. Okay, and then price retraced back to these last highs over here, which act as good potential support here. Yeah, and sure enough, what a reaction we had. Price just comes storming back up and hit our target. All right, but could we enter the trade? Well, let's take a look on the H1. All right, so on the H1, guys, yeah, there was a lovely entry here. All right, I actually traded pound Swiss franc, but this was a beautiful entry here, guys. So we were waiting for price to break out of this grey zone. All right, we started getting a build up of H1 structure here. But it wasn't until we saw this candle, yeah, that broke these highs, yeah, and then we were off to the races, okay? And it come up and hit target pretty quickly. 1, 2, 3 hours, really, it hit target. So, yeah, so this would have been a very good entry, guys, here. You know, put your stop perhaps below the moving average 20, enter here, take profit here. If you miss this candle here, yeah, if you miss this entry candle, look at this retrace that you get. When I see price break out, come back into this grey zone, yeah, you don't necessarily have to wait for a bullish reaction. You can just enter here, put your stop in the same place, perhaps down here, and then take price back up to that higher time frame target. But yeah, clockwork, guys. Yeah, you know, came up. This is my bread and butter usually, guys. Breaks resistance, tests resistance, now becomes support, and then shoots off in the direction we want. Yeah, great trade on pound New Zealand dollar. There was also pound Swiss franc. Yeah, I got into this one, guys. And again, let's start with the day chart. So we were just seeing, again, follow structure. Structure was telling us we're in an uptrend. Yeah. It retraces to a nice level of support. Yeah. It was once resistance here. It's now support. I love this pattern, guys. Yeah. I love this pattern. What was once resistance becomes support, and it normally offers such good value. That in here, that is beautiful, wonderful, amazing value because you've got all this room to move into. All right. So, yeah, the structure was there. We had a bit of a reaction at that zone, but we were just waiting for a break in H1 structure. Okay. And let's look at H1. You know, you can see that we got it, guys. So price, price did actually break, when it broke these highs. But I was just looking for a reaction out of here. When we got this candle, yeah, breaking these lows, potentially I was thinking we had room to the downside. So, but I was just waiting because remember our higher time frame buyers, our daily chart was to buy this pair. So I am only interested in buys. And then when price comes shooting back up, we got this candle here. So this candle just broke these highs. Yeah, but that's good enough for me. If it's broken these highs, we have higher highs. Okay. So, yeah, I entered on this candle because it broke these highs. I got a bit of a retrace down to here, put my stop below here. I've already taken some profit up here. And now I'm just going to let 20% run up to this target. Okay, and remember, guys, yeah, I close 80% here because I want to secure profit, guys. Yeah, now I'm in profit. Even if this trade goes against me, I have made money on this trade, and that 20% I can just let run. It's like a swing trade, if you like, that 20%. I will leave that running. And what I'll do, guys, with my initial stop loss or hedge, I use a hedge, was here. I will now move this up to here. Yeah, because this becomes the last swing low on the H1. Yeah, potentially it will do this. So put it here and then just keep trailing that stop. Yeah, I might close, the rest of the 20%. I might just close 10% here. Yeah, we'll see. All right, but another good trade, both pound New Zealand dollar and pound Swiss. If you manage to get in on them, guys, were good trades. Yeah, I hope you took these trades. The last trade from yesterday, I've left this one till last because gold, just what a crazy reaction we had on gold. There was no big US dollar data came out, but it just came shooting down. But let's start with the day chart anyway, guys. So, yeah, we'll start with the weekly, just so you know, yeah, there's this real important area in here. Okay, it's diagonal support, it has moving average 20 support, and it has horizontal support. This is a key level. All right, if this breaks, yeah, we could see a real sell-off. All right, but as it stands, it's holding. And if we go to the day chart now, yeah, for me, we're in a downtrend stroke range. Okay, so this is in a downtrend. All right, but now price has been ranging between this level, which hasn't broken, and this level. All right, so we're in a range, and all I wanted to do, guys, was because of these couple of bullish candles that we've had, is carry this on up to the top of this range. Okay, so that was the trade idea on the day chart. Remember, guys, the day chart gives me my bias. Yeah, the weekly and the daily tell me, can I buy this pair? Can I sell this pair? Or should I stay the hell out? Those are your three options. Okay, and this pair told me I could buy it. I wish it hadn't. Okay, but if we look at the H1 now, guys, you actually get a better picture on the H4. Let's look at the H4 because it become a bit of a H4 play. So, yeah, we pinpointed this area in here at the start of the day. Okay, all right, so price was coming up, come back down. We've got a nice reaction in here. You'll see it on the H1. I actually entered on the H1. So we got a nice reaction in here. Yeah, and then prices come back up. Yeah, look at this. Look at this H4 candle. Yeah, this H4 candle followed by that H4 candle. Yeah, everything in my being was telling me, brilliant. I'm in a great trade here. I'm going to let that run up to here. Yeah, everything was telling me this. Yeah, because if I did this, guys. Yeah, I've gone back in time, magic. At this point, yeah, you would be thinking, buy this pair. Yeah, I don't care who you are in the world of trading, you would be thinking to buy this pair and take it back up to here. Yeah, it makes total sense. We've even got free air. I remember describing this. We've got free air in here. Yeah, and then watch what happens. It's just crazy. Yeah, what a crazy, crazy reaction. I'm sure there'll be lots of analysts coming out today saying it was this, it was that. The truth is, guys, no one knows. Yeah, it wasn't any US dollar data. It comes storming down. Now and again, these things will happen. Yeah, you'll have complete anomalies like this that just come storming down. Don't try and make sense of it. It happened. Yeah, and like I say, guys, there'll be 101 analysts coming out and saying it was this, it was this. It's US dollar strength. For whatever reason that happened, it happened. Yeah. So yeah, and my hedge was down here, guys. So I'm in a hedge. So, you know, I'm considering getting out here because we've had quite a strong candle to the upside. In fact, I probably will get out of my hedge, close some profit, and then let price run. So, yeah, we was in this. If I show you the H1, guys, just quickly, yeah, we had this candle here, look. So this candle came, you know, down to this grey zone that we're interested in, entered here, put my hedge below here, and even look at this H1 candle. I was thinking, what a wonderful trade, Tom. Bang. Okay. So, yeah, crazy day on gold yesterday. So those were the trade ideas from yesterday, guys. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap, then come join us. Yeah, join the channel, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button. And if everyone right now spend 2 seconds, if everyone could just smash that like button. 3 seconds. Yeah, that's all it takes, guys. Yeah, because it helps support the video and yeah, we appreciate it. So smash that like button, guys. So trade ideas for Thursday, the 8th of June, guys. Before we get stuck into them, let me just mention a few things our channel does. So first of all, we got the free Discord. It's free. Come join it, yeah? You've got trade ideas, you've got chit chat, you've got knowledge, you've got useful links, you've got indicators, you've got many things in the free Discord, guys, so come join that. We also have VIP Discord. You do have to pay for the VIP Discord, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me questions throughout the trading day. You get access to my trade ideas as and when they happen. You get exclusive content, lots of exclusive content. And you also get access to a performance coach and other VIP members, guys. All right, so come join that. Secondly, guys, we do a mentorship program. So if you would like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details of the mentorship program. The email you'll find on our channel. Thirdly, guys, what's thirdly? Yeah, we've also got YouTube membership now. So if you watch these videos every day, you enjoy them, why not become a YouTube member and show your appreciation and support for the channel? All right. It's only a small amount of money, but you get some cool perks as well. And finally, guys, don't forget the live stream every day, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get my teeth in, EST. Yeah, come join us, guys. Get all your questions and fire them over to me. And everyone smash the like button. Right, guys, enough of all that. Let's look at the trade ideas for today. So I like this trade, but I like Aussie dollar, US dollar, but I prefer New Zealand US dollar. So let me show you something quite interesting on the weekly chart with Aussie dollar, US dollar. So we, on the weekly chart, we are clearly in a downtrend. Bang. Yeah. We've got lower lows, lower highs. Yeah. We're clearly in a downtrend, guys. And look how price, well, so far has reacted at, you know, like the weekly moving average 20. Yeah. It's come down, reacted. Yeah. This, at the moment, this represents really good value for shorts. Okay. If we go to the day chart, guys, the only problem I have with it is that it's above the moving average 20. Okay, usually I look for price to be under the moving average 20. Okay, so yeah, that's put me off slightly, but you know, lots of other things to like. Yeah, we've got this huge bearish candle because we saw that US dollar strength on gold yesterday. So I think this could potentially be a trade back down to this 6610 level. All right, and I'll just be looking for a breakdown in H1 structure. Well, it's already broken down. But yeah, I'm showing you this trade because I do like it, but I prefer, yeah, this is my first trade idea for today. I prefer New Zealand US dollar because we are, you know, firmly in a downtrend. Okay, we're below the moving average 20. We've reacted at an important area of resistance. And if we zoom in, that's kind of zoomed in. We've got this bearish candle that's broken all of these lows in here. This is what I like about it. So we just want to take price back down to this 607 level. Okay. Yeah, so that's the trade idea, guys. But Aussie dollar, US dollar, also a potential trade idea. If we look at H1 now, what am I looking for? So H1 structure, you know, has already come storming down. So we're with H1 structure. I'm just looking for price in here now somewhere. Yeah, because price, I've done quite a large grey zone. Well, it's only 20 pips, but we've had price react here, 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 here. So yeah, this is an important grey zone. We've also got the moving average 20. So I just want to see price retrace. It could be here, could be here. We just want to see price retrace. We get a bearish reaction, yeah, and then we can start taking price lower. This will be my first target, guys. Yeah, depending on the risk to reward, this will be my first target. I'll take some profit and then I'll let 20% run. Okay, guys, so New Zealand US dollar short and Aussie dollar US dollar short. The next trade idea is this. We are looking at Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. All right, so if we go to the day chart now, yeah, it's reacted at such a nice level, guys. All right, so, you know, structure has come down, right, come all the way back up. You know, we know this is going to be an important level in terms of resistance. We've got a huge reaction, and the idea is to potentially take it back down to these lows. Okay, I'm going to remove this target. I'm going to set a different target today. Okay, but that's the idea. If you know, and price is below the moving average 20. Okay, and look at this candle. Yeah, doesn't get much more bearish than that, guys. Yeah. I'm going to do a target on the H4. So our target will be down to here, guys. Yeah, and it's a nice psychological level as well. So just before this 8850 level, 8855, this is going to be our target for today. It could carry on longer. Yeah, leave some on the trade, leave some profit. So if we drop down to the H1 now, let's try and find a nice entry. So we've got a couple of grey zones here. If I zoom out, you can see we're currently at this grey zone, which has proven to be very good support and resistance. All right. So price could react here. Yeah, if we get a bearish reaction here, comes down, yeah, I'll be looking to take price lower. Yeah, down to the target that I spoke about. Or price could retrace back up into this grey zone. This will represent better value because we've got the moving average 20. We've got price reacted in here. It's a good level of resistance. So it could retrace up into here. And again, all I'm looking for is a bearish reaction, guys. We get into the trade. Yeah, I'll probably take some profit here and then let some money run. All right, so yeah, it could react here, come down, or it could react here and come down, guys. Let me just show you this as well quickly. On the M15 chart, for this, so this is where we are currently on the M15 chart. Because we're not sure if price will react here or here. So we could add another filter, another piece of confluence. So we could say, you know, if price breaks this M15 level. So if we got a break of this level, then this is potentially on the H1. The H1 candle needs to close. If we got a break of this level, guys, this could be confirmation that it is this grey zone, okay, and not this grey zone. Okay, so I do use M15 for another piece of confirmation. And again, I'm just looking for a structure breakdown on M15. Okay. Right, what else am I looking at today? Before I show you what else I'm looking at today, yeah, if you're new to the channel, why not join us? I give you my trade ideas and analysis every morning. So come join the channel, guys. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and smash that notification button. And if everyone right now could just stop what they're doing and press the like button. Everyone, click, 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 click. Smash that like button, guys. It's much appreciated. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Dankeschön. All right, guys. So finally, what am I looking at today? I am looking at just the continuation of pound New Zealand or even euro New Zealand. All right. So if we look at the day chart, guys, I've slightly adjusted the target now. Yeah, because I think we've got a little bit more room. But yeah, we're looking for price just to go a little bit further up to this 206.50 area, just before it. All right, so I think we've got a little bit more room up to these highs. If we drop down to the H1, yeah, so the moving out, when we have such a big move like this, yeah, it's sometimes difficult to pinpoint support and resistance levels. Yeah, this is clearly a support and resistance level, but I don't expect it to get down to here. If it does, great. Potentially we can trade it. So when we have this scenario, yeah, the moving average 20 becomes quite a nice dynamic support. Okay, so we could potentially see a bounce off of this. If I get a real bullish candle off of the moving average 20, we've still got a bit of room to move into. Okay, so that's what I'd be looking for on pound New Zealand longs, buys. And the same with euro New Zealand, guys. Let's find euro New Zealand. There you are. This actually does have it. This was easier to find an area to trade from. But if we start with a day chart, guys, again, I just think euro New Zealand dollar has a little bit more room to move into. Yeah, we're clearly in an uptrend. We've got this super bullish candle. Yeah, we just got a little bit more room up to 7,750. Yeah, just before. Okay. So again, if we drop down to the H1, you know, again, we've had this big move. So, like I say, guys, we could use potentially the moving average 20 as dynamic support in this scenario. If we get a good bullish reaction, we could take price back up to here. But also with this pair, guys, it was easier to find an area of support and resistance. Yeah, through here. So this could be a really nice area, guys. So yeah, if we get a bullish reaction, like I say, we can take price back up to here. Okay, guys, so those are all my trade ideas for today. If you've enjoyed it, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button, and everyone keep smashing the like button, guys. But don't keep smashing it because it might unlike it. I'm not sure. Anyway, guys, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 8th of June. So overnight, guys, just important to point out, we had some really healthy figures coming out of Japan. Yeah, look at the GDP quarter on quarter, year on year. You know, some real beat on expectation here, guys. Yeah, so yeah, could see some yen strength off the back of that. If we carry on down, guys, the first piece of news we're interested in is this. It's giving it a 2-star rating. I disagree. Yeah, we've got 10 o'clock coming out of the euro. We've got GDP figures. Yeah, a lot of significance are given to GDP figures. Yeah, are we in a mini recession? Are we entering a recession? Yeah, so these GDP figures are going to be important for the euro. So must be aware of these if we're in a euro pair. And then after that, guys, the only other piece of news we're interested in is this. At 1:30, London GMT, we've got initial jobless claims coming out of the US. All right, guys. So, yeah, this could really move the US dollar. All right, guys, that's the news finished. Don't forget to come join us for the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time today. Get your questions ready, and I'll see you later, guys.